Within TapGoods, you can see we have about 24 emails that can be easily customized. You can add, in fact, fields here, so it can start with the person's first name. It can start with the order recipient's name. You can have the email toggled to automatically send, and you can set when it automatically sends. And that's the case you can see here with an order reminder, but just dozens of other typical emails that go out. If they're not here within an existing template, you can create a custom template, and you can style those emails. We help do that typically as part of the onboarding process. The net result is that what is often a very manual process that takes a lot of time and energy is all done without even thinking about it. It can be automated and handled within the system with no human effort at all. Most rental businesses have vehicles, and many use outside systems to be able to manage the routing of their fleet. With TapGoods, it's all integrated. So you can see, if you look at a calendar here, first you can go to the total revenue. You can see on a given day how many deliveries and pickups you have, how much revenue you'll be processing. That can help with just overall planning. And then you can zero in on a particular route. We'll look at a given day, and you can see what trucks that you have and what's needed in order to meet the needs of customers that day in terms of drop-offs and pickups. You can click and you can see what's in each order, and from that be able to plan which vehicles you use. You can use drag and drop to move those orders around, assign them to different vehicles, and you can even get turn-by-turn directions that show from a given starting point at your warehouse, given typical traffic, you'll be at a given location, and how that compares with the customer's expectation of drop-off and pickup time. From there, a driver can download the information about a given route onto their phone and use their phone to be able to drive the route. Often, rental businesses want to print information related to routing. We make that really easy, where you can have your preferences of what information to print. It'll remember those preferences, and for a given day or week, you can just print what you like. When a driver is out in the field conducting a delivery, they can also collect a customer's signature, and they can snap a picture. If they're on their phone, this will just simply enable them to use their phone's camera to take a picture showing the delivery in place. All that information is stored within the order. If you need to go back to it later to show proof of delivery, it's all right there, signatures and photos. Warehouses all function differently. TapGoods is designed to be customizable to enable rental businesses to use the system the way their warehouse operates. So you can add a status, you can give it a color, and then as you get into the warehouse management process, you can use those steps to show where each order is in its process. This is a pick list. You can see the different statuses right here. Again, can be customized for a given business. If you're using serialized inventory, you can click to scan barcodes, and you can update the status as inventory is rolling in or rolling out.